What is component? Any large application is breaking into a smaller and reusable components. That is why React is called a component-based system. In this section, we are going to create a component. Let me explain our component tree structure. Our component tree structure. First parent component is app component. We already seen app component, which is always a root component. Component have two child component. One is welcome component, another is products component. Products component have three child component, which is product 1, product 2 and product 3. Next, layout structure. App component which contain welcome component and products component. Products component which contain product 1, product 2 and product 3. This is our layout structure. Next we are going to play with the coding.